Welcome back, everybody. Another week. I had planned on uploading or making a steering wheel, and it's not going very well, so it's not done. I'm waiting on a bit. In the meantime, I can go over. This was last week that we got these, but I got my bent steering arm bracket for brass cars, so that's good. It's like about 14, 15 maybe. Because it doesn't have there could be a tab on the other end with a spring, but it's be good. I won't have to make that. And if that wasn't awesome enough, I got a 1911 dogleg. I can't talk today. 1911 dogleg intake manifold that we're going to clean up. Yeah, it's pretty rough, but it's what I wanted. It'll be period correct for the car. We just got to get the rust out of it, aluminum oxide, whatever you want to call it. And I brought out one more thing, and this is for sale if anybody wants one. Well, if anyone wants this, it is for sale, and it is pretty much a water pipe that you plumb into your exhaust. Goes into the exhaust manifold, screws into here, and in theory it helps move your coolant. So it's a pretty cool period accessory. I don't remember the name of it, but I've got one. And if anybody's interested in buying it, let me know. Make an offer. Throw a comment down there, make an offer. I have taken to writing down everything I trade for, so we're still at $0, 100% bartering, or out of my stash. So we're moving along. It's just going a little bit slower than I thought. It's the CNC machine quit again. I gotta deal with that, and then I can get back on the steering wheel, hopefully today or tomorrow, so that video will come out soon. So that's it for this week on the Speedster build. Stay tuned, and follow along if you would. Appreciate it. Thanks.